In this video, we're going to learn how to align text. So first of all, we're going to go to the Facebook div and we're going to get rid of the span, and also we're going to keep only the Facebook word in the paragraph. And then we're going to copy this word again and again so that we can build some text in the paragraph. Okay, so now if we want to align text, we're going to need to use the text align property. So the syntax is text align. And basically here we've got several options. They are similar to the ones that we would find, for instance, in Microsoft Word. So if we choose, for instance, justify, then we'll get exactly the same appearance that we would get in Microsoft Word, for example. Okay, if we choose, for instance, text align center, then the text is going to be centered. Let's try another one. Let's try left. So in this case, the text is going to be aligned to the left, and if we go for text align right, then the text is going to be aligned to the right.